In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin to your Wix website effortlessly. This process will help you manage your site effectively by allowing a trusted person to have administrative access. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard. From here, our goal is to get to the setup section. So look for the setup option, usually located in the main navigation panel on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you're in the setup section, you'll see a variety of options, but our focus is on managing your team. Find the settings where you can manage team members and roles. Now let's say you're looking at your website's dashboard and you spot those three little dots, often called the action menu. Little details like this can sometimes be easy to overlook, but they hold a lot of power. Clicking these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. In this drop-down, look for the option that says Invite Collaborators. This is exactly what we need to proceed. Clicking on it will bring up a new window or section that prompts you to invite someone to collaborate on your website. This is where you'll need the email address of the person you wish to add as an admin, so make sure you have their email handy and type it into the provided field. After entering their email, we move on to defining their role. You'll see a list of potential roles you can assign. Since we're adding an admin, you'll want to choose the admin co-owner option. This grants them the necessary permissions to help you manage the site effectively. It's crucial to select the appropriate role to ensure they have the right level of access without compromising your website's security. With the role selected, the final step is to send the invitation. Look for the Send Invites button, typically positioned towards the bottom of the invitation form. Click on it and that's it. You've successfully invited someone to be an admin on your Wix site. The person you've invited will receive an email with the invitation, and once they accept it, they'll have admin access to help manage your website. Remember, adding an admin is about sharing responsibility and makes managing your website a collaborative effort. It's always a good idea to confirm that the invitation was received and accepted to ensure everything is working smoothly. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add an admin to your Wix site. I hope this walkthrough was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy web managing.